The purpose of today's is to graph from slope-intercept form. So we're going to do the reverse of what we were doing last lesson. I'm going to skip to number 3. Consider the following equation. Y equals 2/3 x minus 1. Okay, I'm going to go for my highlight because it's consistent. Look at how this all flows together now. Okay, y-intercept is -1. We can write it that way, or we can name it as a point, which might be helpful because we're going to plot that point. And the slope is 2/3, or 2/3. So graph the line on the grid. Use what you wrote in the first 2 questions to help you. All right, well, this is piece of cake. So we're going to graph 0, -1. It has to be on the y-axis because it's the y-intercept. And then we're going to rise 1, 2, go over 1, 2, 3, plot a point, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Look how easy that is. And draw the line. Okay. Next one. What is the y-intercept? What is the slope? Okay. Slope, y-intercept. It's beautiful. So I'm going to go right to 0, 1, and the slope is 3/1. Plot the point. Here's 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1. And if you want to go down 1, 2, 3, you would have to go left 1, 1, 2, 3, and then connect your points. Okay? This one. All right. Highlight slope, the number in front of the x. Ruh-roh, where's my y-intercept? Well, if you don't have anything, what do you know? It's at 0, 0. And the slope is -3/4. So already my mind is thinking it's got to be going downhill. Start at 0, 0. Up 1, 2, 3/4. If I go this way, my line's going to be going uphill left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to force it to be going downhill. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. But as soon as you see that negative slope, an alarm should be going off. Okay. Sorry. Too much talking, I guess. All right, now we're going to graph. Y equals -2x, or 2, -2 plus x. My strategy is I'm always going to name the slope and the y-intercept. It's just a habit of mine. That's the number in front of x. Y-intercept is your constant. They tried to trick us. A nice try. We're not falling for it. So it's a -2, up 1/1, up 1/1, up 1/1. Be aware that it has to be in the correct order. So if we were to rewrite it in the right order, it would look like this. Okay, 7 on your own. I'm going to help you with these 2. We have to go back and we have to think, what was our slope when it was just the y? So that means it's a horizontal line. Do you remember? Horizontal line gives us a slope of 0. And the y-intercept is 5. So all of your y's will be 5. What about this? What was your slope when it was just x? It was undefined. And the y-intercept, there is none. So how do we graph this? Well, we have to go to the -1 on the x-axis, and it has to be a vertical line. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, we got to find, fix, and justify. Okay, Kevin was asked to graph the line y equals -1/2 x plus 1. Kevin graphed the line below, made an error. Okay, as soon as I saw this slope, this alarm went off, and my mind is saying this. It's going downhill. Is his going downhill? No, it's not. So already I know he did that part wrong. But he did get the y-intercept right. So we're supposed to correct it. So it would be down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. His line should be going downhill left to right. So Kevin did not represent a negative slope. And we corrected it. So hopefully that purple will help you. Always, always, always. What up with that? We're already to the classwork. So guess what? That's the end of the video. It's your lucky night. All right, this concludes our lesson on graphing from an equation.